There once was a young kid who wandered away from its flock, thinking that he could take care of himself. Everything was fine until the kid heard what sounded like the howl of a wolf that likes to creep around in the fields.
I must eat before it gets too late, and you look rather tasty.
The young goat begins to tremble in fear before the large wolf.
I gotta get out of here.
The kid knew there was no hope for him. The kid cried out with fear.
Mr. Wolf, I know you're going to eat me, but first I want to dance and be happy for a little.
The wolf was fancied by the idea of playing a little music before dinner. So the wolf played his tune, and the kid happily danced around.
Thank you so much, Mr. Wolf.
It's the least I could do.
Just as the wolf is done playing, the kid looks up to the wolf.
Mr. Wolf, would it be possible for you to play it again one last time, please?
Why, of course I would. However, after this tune, I will eat you for dinner.
In the background of the wolf's music, shepherd dogs and the flock voices can be heard calling out for the young kid.
What was that? Where did those sounds come from?
The shepherd dogs charge at the wolf and allow the young kid to get away.
Oh no! How dare I let that goat distract me? Now I'm going to starve.
The moral of the story is, do not let anything turn you from your purpose.